In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell event tickets on Squarespace. This process is a straightforward way to manage your events and sell tickets directly through your website, providing a seamless experience for your customers. Let's get started. First, navigate to your Squarespace homepage. Open your browser and head over to your account. Once there, you'll want to take advantage of the handy search bar located at the top of the page. Click on it and type in the word product. This search will lead you to the relevant sections you need to set up your tickets as products on Squarespace. Once the search brings up the results, find and click on the Products option. This will take you to the page where you can manage all the products you offer on your site, which in our case will soon be your event tickets. Next, look for the ADD product button and click on it. At this stage, you'll be given several types of products you can create. Since we are dealing with event tickets, you want to select Service because our focus is on a service-based product, the event, rather than a physical item. Now it's time to name the product. Type in ticket to clearly identify what this product is for. If you have specific names or types of tickets like VIP or general admission, feel free to include those details here. Following that, you'll need to provide a description for your event ticket. This is where you can explain what attending the event includes, such as access to specific areas, any included refreshments, or special guest appearances that make your event unique. Clear and engaging descriptions can really help sell the experience and entice potential buyers. Once your description is complete, you'll want to make your product visually appealing. Click on Add Image to enhance the product listing with visuals. You might use a picture of the venue, past events, or a promotional image. Following this, click on Upload File to bring in your selected images from your computer. Next, you'll want to set your inventory price. Decide on the ticket price and input it in the designated area. Make sure the price reflects the value of the event and aligns with the market expectations for such an occasion. Finally, to save all your hard work, click on the Save button. This final step will ensure all the details you've entered remain securely stored on your Squarespace site. And there you have it. Your event ticket is now ready to go, available for purchase on Squarespace. This simple process allows event organizers to efficiently manage ticket sales and create an engaging online presence for your audiences. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your event.